Hello everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the most common Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts. Let's get right into this. The first shortcut we're going to be getting into is probably the most common and the most used shortcut that there is. We're going to be looking at Ctrl C. Now the control button is this little button at the bottom that says CTRL, which stands for control, and Ctrl C, as you can see right here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to write down something. There, I got that written down. I'm going to select it, type Ctrl C. It copies it. And the next one we're going to do is Ctrl V, which is paste. I'm going to enter a couple times, select Ctrl V, and I paste it. Now another one we're going to look at is Ctrl X, which is a little bit different than Ctrl C. It copies it, but it also erases the copied version. So let's go back to this first one. I'm going to go over this again, and we're going to select Ctrl X. It now deletes it and copies it. Now we're going to go down again, and we're going to go Ctrl V. It now pastes it. That's how Ctrl X works. The next couple shortcuts we're going to be looking at is the maximize window shortcut and the minimize window shortcut. What we're going to be doing for this is we're going to have the window that we want to be maximized or minimized selected. We're going to go to the Windows button and the up button. This will maximize it. We're going to press them at the same time, and it maximizes the window. Now if we push the Windows button and the down button at the same time, it will shrink it, and which is also called minimizing it. You push those and it minimizes. Let's say theoretically you wanted to see your desktop under all of these applications you have open. All you have to do is select the Windows key and D at the same time like this. Poof. And it's all back to your desktop. There is this really cool feature in Windows 10. It's called Task View, where you can actually have multiple desktops open on one desktop. You can add new ones. It's really fun. But there's actually a keyboard shortcut for this too, which is Windows button and Tab. Select these together and it goes right to Task View. I can switch here, and there we go. Most of you probably don't know about this, but if you right click on the Windows button in the very bottom left corner of the screen, there is actually a bunch of other apps and management things that you can open up to manage your computer, like device manager system, a ton of cool stuff. But like most other things, there is also a keyboard shortcut for that, which is Windows button and X. Select these two and boom, direct access. These shortcuts that I showed you guys are great shortcuts for Windows 10, but these are not the only shortcuts. There are even more of them, like Windows F, which is Feedback Hub. And let's see, what other ones work? Oh, Windows R is Run. You can open up applications to run. Let me try this one. What have I done? Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye for now.